Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Tita Aracelya Rakyanratri. I'm from Slamet University on English Education Department on the second semester. I'm from class 2 and my M.Hum is 225-20034. Here, in this opportunity, I'm going to explain to you about code switching in linguistics. Okay, let's get started. First, what is code switching? Code switching is a term in linguistics referring to using more than one language or variety in conversation. Using elements for more than one language when conversing in a manner that is consistent with the syntax, morphology, and phonology of each language or dialect. The speakers use his ability in another language, style, dialect, or anything it served by the speakers depends on the addresses in different occasions. Generally, there are different perspectives on code switching. Code switching may also be reflective of the frequency with which an individual uses particular expression from one or the other language in his daily communication. Code switching can occur between sentences or within a single sentence. That's it for the explanation about the definition of code switching. Now, I want to explain three types in code switching one by one and the example for any types. Text switching refers to inserting a word or tag phrase from one language into another. A tag code switching happens when a bilingual inserts short expression or tag from a different language at the end of utterance. Sometimes, text switching can take the form of intersentential switching where categorical equivalence exists between the two languages involved.
The example of text switching. Benar, that's a good answer. Oh God, saya lupa nggak bawa ban serep. Bagaimana ini? I'm a good friend, neh. Bukunku mah, isn't it?
Intersentential switching is a code switching that happens between clause or sentence boundary. In this case, an entire clause or sentence is in one language, but the speaker switch to another language for a subsequent clause or sentence. In addition, this switching should take place between at least two clauses, which also can be mean two sentences. Intersentential switching happens either at the beginning or end of a sentence and is most common with fluent bilingual speakers.
The example of intersentential switching. Mean to Hun, what happened? If you are late for the job interview, is alin machine? Are we going to chase Jill for dinner? Ani daily what happened?
Intrasentential code switching refers to the switching that occur inside the same clause or sentence which then contains elements of both languages. Intrasentential code switching is found when a word, a phrase, or a clause of a foreign language is found within a sentence in the base language. In this case, the speaker may switch part of clauses, lexical item, or even morphemes.
The examples of intrasentential code switching.
I was speak under with Steve the other day.
You are sleepy, Kogusaman, because you spend a lot of hours in your bed. La onda is to fight ye chamber. Tengo que ir to the mall ye ar supermercado.
I think that's all that I can explain to you about code switching. Maybe some of you are still confused about the explanation above, so let me give a conclusion.
Code switching is a language alternative when people have the opportunity to use two or more language get mixed up in the course of single conversation. Three types of code switching. There are tag code switching, intersentential code switching, and intrasentential code switching.
Okay guys, I hope my explanation will help you easy to understand and be more useful. I'm so sorry if in this video I have any wrong information. If you have some critics, question, or suggestion, you can comment down below this video. Thank you for your attention for watching my video. See you next time.